Back to it, man. We had a little interruption, but we back. You know, interruption by some police, you know. I'm so glad I don't have to go through that. Told you in the last session, man, I know how to draw. Check out my tag. I really feel. All right, though, man. We outside, bro. I'm up in here, bro. Hiding from the niggas, bro. If they would mess with me like that, it would be hectic. I'm glad I know how to draw. Real good. Escopeta, you know that. Shotgun in Spanish. Schoolyard Crips out here with the shotguns. My money bag, my Wrigley Field. You already know. Uzi for sure. 90247 type shit. Around here, it's just us, cuz. Shotguns got the G13s on the other side. Also, bro, you didn't have a big ass city? It's not big. It's big, but it ain't like big. Y'all know. Y'all know where we at. Right here hiding out the way, man. If you ain't got put on, Schoolyard Crips out here with the shotguns, bro. Y'all already know. Let's go outside. Know what to expect, you know? Compton and Watts. Y'all already know. Nigga. Y'all already know where we at. Push your T all up in the lat, nigga. Schoolyard with the shotguns. You know, bright outside, birds chirping, bro. Y'all know where we at. Push the T up in the lat. Too much light, though. We gonna get back inside. Athletics, you know. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. Just for the homies, though. You from out here, though, man? San Francisco? What it's like in San Francisco, cuz? That's correct, dude. Shit, dry as hell right now. Dry as hell, Dolphin capital. Dolphin capital. It ain't even lit out there. Hella car break-ins. I already know, man. Open across the water on fire. No, that's how we got it. We trying to, you feel me? We just building it up in the city as we speak right now, little one. Getting this shit cracking. Hey, look, if you ain't good with your city story, smoke coming out with the missiles. Oakland. You ain't good nowhere. You ain't good nowhere. Bad, y'all already know. Y'all see. 139th Street. I was from 120th in Vermont. Y'all already know. Athletics, bro. Jordan. Gift like it, bro, for this motherfucker, dog. Try those on. Hey, come to the guard. They come to the guard, they get a present. You feel me? I got my right around this. You know what I'm saying? A lot of things. Man, shit, nigga. You want to do TD, don't let me. Why you still here? Me? No, I'm talking about not you, nigga. You working, you regular. You know, tell me. There's still a lot of shit going on around here, too. That's why they still trying to stay a little woke. You feel me? Oh, this motherfucker cracking. Yeah. Sad. No, sad. They hot as a motherfucker. Pulling back up on us in a couple minutes, bro. Bothering the brothers outside. That's how they try to get to it. Yeah, like that, dude. Everybody can't walk. I'm gonna take jumping up in her shotgun. No, cuz. Don't do nothing yet. We stand right here. We about to pick the hiding out over here, bro. I know. Already told TD that's all right. Right. It's gotta be better structured than that. That's what I'm saying, cuz it gotta be better structured. I already talked to I told him to come. I'm hiding out over here. They don't even see me. Look, trouble man from PJ. I know, but I want everybody to know that, man. We just got run scud the other night, but look. Them niggas here is brothers, cuz, and they fought each other. You feel me? That's our brothers. That's why I said, cuz. Look. I'm not talking about that, cuz. Gang, you already know. Mr. Clown, Star, you know. We outside, man. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boys in the hood. Boys in the hood. Yeah, my loc right here, cuz. You feel me? NWA, LA. You know, we in the house. Yards. With the shotguns, y'all know. Anything moving like that, nigga. Free E40 on my new beat. Hang around gang members. We outside, bro. Mobbing through the set, nigga. Y'all already know. School. You already know. School. Ladies with the dice. In the middle, y'all know. Nigga, y'all know. What?